I hold on to the skin of your teeth because, as raw as it is, there's so much love underneath. You capture my soul, then make me burn in disease, emotions deceased, then gravity released. Heaven I receive. Death, please leave, for your company is no longer pleasured. Our memories I keep treasured. Your smile stays coffined, I'm deceived, but not breaking. Your face remains breathtaking, your breath still baking. The warmer I'm feeling, the smoother you're killing. Is this love or suffering? Kind are your offerings. Poetry bleeds in your lies, intoxicating but still beside you I lie. Imagine walking skeletons with no flesh, attraction the fleshing soul. Beauty would be the moon whispering lies to our shadows, stars burning not out but brighter. Only then I can say, death, I'm yours, love, I'm gone, life, you've won. But as long as breathing will never leave me, surrendering will never be true to me.